Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, well-preserved pickup truck with only 98,000 original miles, making it a rare find for its age.
It features a smooth-running V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on regular gasoline.
The exterior is finished in classic black, complemented by a clean gray interior, both of which are in very good condition for a vehicle of this era. This truck has been carefully maintained and shows minimal signs of wear, earning an overall rating of about 9 out of 10. It starts reliably every time and drives smoothly, with no mechanical issues in the engine or transmission. With its dependable performance and solid build, it serves perfectly as either a daily driver or a work truck. Additionally, it comes with a clean title, offering peace of mind for any buyer looking for a practical, stylish, and well-kept pickup.
Number 2.
1990 Ford F250, price $8,950, classic 2WD pickup truck powered by a 7.5L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With only 135,000 original miles, this truck remains in excellent condition and has been carefully maintained over the years. Its exterior is painted in crisp white, perfectly complemented by a clean and well-kept blue interior. Designed for both comfort and convenience, the F250 comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning.
The tires and brakes are in good shape, ensuring reliable performance on the road. This all-original truck shows no leaks or mechanical issues and drives just as it should.
With its clean title and well-preserved condition, the 1990 Ford F250 is a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable, classic pickup with plenty of character.
Number 3.
1999 Ford F150, price $9,999, highly reliable and versatile pickup truck with a total mileage of 152,800 miles. Equipped with a robust 5.4L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance and smooth handling, whether on the highway, at a job site, or off-road. Its 4WD drivetrain adds excellent traction and stability, making it capable of handling challenging terrain and adverse weather conditions with confidence. The truck sports a clean white exterior that complements its practical and functional design. Designed for both work and everyday use, this F-150 combines strength, dependability, and classic styling, making it a trusted choice for anyone in need of a hard-working vehicle.
Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, well-maintained pickup with 155,000 miles on the odometer, featuring a 5.7L engine and 2WD paired with an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean Indiana title and has a striking blue exterior and matching blue interior. Recent mechanical updates include a replacement driver's side head gasket and cylinder head, as well as new stainless steel headers. The brakes are in excellent condition with recently replaced calipers and a fresh brake fluid flush, and the truck rides on new all-terrain tires. Inside, the interior is very clean and the original owner's manual and service booklets are included, along with the original Chevy audio tape. The truck bed is super clean, and the underside has been well maintained. There are minor cosmetic issues. The clear coat is peeling on the hood and driver's side, rust is present in the cab corners, and the status of the air conditioning is unknown.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F-150, price $3,995, classic American pickup that has been well cared for, with 233,800 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable 4.9L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and dependable performance for everyday driving. This model features a two-wheel drive setup, making it practical and efficient for both city streets and light work duties. The truck's exterior is painted in a striking green, complemented by a clean gray interior that has been well maintained over the years. Inside, the cabin remains tidy and comfortable, reflecting careful ownership. This F-150 comes with a clean Carfax report, confirming 0 accidents in its history.
While the clear coat on the hood shows some minor peeling, the rest of the paint remains in good condition, highlighting the vehicle's classic charm. Number 6.
1991 Nissan King Cab, price $5,000, well-maintained 4x4 manual D21 pickup with a VG30 EV6 engine. It has traveled 238,000 miles and features a red exterior with a brown interior. This truck is in very good condition, with no rust and minimal body damage. Recently, the engine received significant maintenance, including a new timing belt, water pump, thermostat, oil, and several other parts, ensuring it runs smoothly. The 4x4 system functions perfectly, and the truck drives excellently. After a minor accident on the side, It is expected to have a rebuilt title. Inside, the interior remains in good condition, with fully functioning heat. The truck is equipped with an aftermarket head unit, speakers, and a roll bar, enhancing both comfort and style.
Number 7.
1986 Chevrolet C20, price $9,900. It has traveled 76,000 miles and comes finished in a sleek gray exterior. This truck has been upgraded with an LS 5.3 LLM7 engine swap, delivering modern performance while maintaining classic styling. The engine features new cam bearings, new head gaskets, a new timing chain, Pack 18 springs, a sloppy Stage 2 cam, ARP rod bolts, rings gapped for boost, a high-volume/flow oil pump, long tube headers, and is controlled by a Holley Terminator X. Cooling is enhanced with an electric fan. Paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, the truck also includes a tow package with trailer brakes, making it ready for hauling while offering a smooth driving experience. Overall, this C20 combines the durability of a classic truck with significant performance upgrades, making it a versatile and reliable vehicle for both work and play.
Number 8.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,750, powered by a 3.4L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 318,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven its durability over the years while maintaining its strong performance. The truck features a green exterior complemented by a matching interior and runs on gasoline. All essential maintenance has been kept up to date, including a full fluid change completed around 1,000 miles ago, ensuring the engine and mechanical components continue to run smoothly. The current owner has had the Tacoma for about a year, but it has primarily remained parked rather than used regularly.
Despite its high mileage, this Tacoma remains a solid and reliable vehicle, combining the classic Toyota build quality with a manual transmission for drivers who enjoy full control and engagement on the road. Number 9.
1978 Jeep J20, price $7,200, classic full-size pickup with a strong presence and rugged capability. This truck has covered 135,000 miles and features a 360 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a 4-speed manual T18 Borg-Warner transmission. It comes equipped with a Dana 20 transfer case, a Dana 44 open-knuckle front axle, and a Dana 60 rear axle, providing solid off-road performance and durability. The exterior and interior are both finished in brown, giving it a timeless, cohesive look. It runs and drives well, with regular use a few days a week, and it passed emissions testing without issue 2 years ago when it was plated.
Number 10.
1995 Nissan Frontier, price $2,995. It has traveled 173,000 miles, which is relatively low for a vehicle of this type.
It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering both reliability and ease of use.
The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a gray interior. This Frontier is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and excellent heating, making it comfortable in any season. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or work purposes.
Its body is solid and free of rust, which is increasingly rare for vehicles of this age. With its iconic hard-body styling, this Nissan Frontier combines durability, classic design, and practicality in one package.